And what this will do is literally it's going to transform the way you do business online. Now, you know yourself that making a great lead page, sales page, having all those conversions is critical, but it's also a major pain in the butt. And we wanted to make it so simple and easy that you can literally click, drag, profit. And that's kind of our mantra. But the other side note is if you can dream it, you can build it. Let me show you. For example, we have a massive library of pre-done templates that have made us literally millions of dollars over the years, and it's based on our proven strategies and layouts. Now again, if you were trying to do this yourself, it would take hours and hours of coding. You'd be pulling your hair out. Well, literally we've made it just that simple. You just look at one of our templates, click a button and make a couple of changes to suit your market, you're good to go. It could not get simple. So for example, we have a ton of built-in lead pages, opt-in pages and squeeze pages, even two-step opt-ins, great social sharing built in. It is highly optimized. Go. All optimized, ready to rock with all sorts of great elements. Again, just modify it, copy it, adapt it for your own needs, and again, integrates with pretty much every major system out there. We've just designed it to make this as easy as possible for you to use. So, as I said, we are launching this on September 16th. That's just a quick inside sneak peek. We'll be releasing some great videos about how you can actually use some of this stuff, how you can maximize your profits, maximize your conversions. That's more of a quick inside functionality demo, and hopefully it'll give you an idea of why gurus are loving this, why it's creating guru style pages in just a few clicks, and how this can turn any marketer into a guru level marketer with zero design skills, zero coding, zero monthly fees. And we'll be announcing the price on this when we launch, but it's going to be very accessible to everyone.